uDanny Jordaan uboshwe namuhla yize ezame ukuthola incwadi evimba ukuboshwa kwakhe. Uboshwe kanye nababili okuyisikhulu sezemali kwaSAFA uGroni Hluyo nomqondisi wenkampani iGrid Communications uTrevor Neethling. Usola ngokusebenzisa imali yeSAFA ukuqasha inkampani ezokuxhumana iGrid Communications ugeze igama lakhe emva kwensolo zokudlwengula owesifazane.
The entire day yesterday, there was words of an interdict being applied for, and once we did not see them at the time as we had agreed with the investigation team, the teams went out and arrested these accused.
Encwadini efungelwe kaJordaan efundwe ngabameli bakhe, uthi akazilutho ngalezi insola solwa ngazo iminyaka manje, uthi waze ngophenyo ngaye eminyakeni emihlanu edlule. Futhi wabambisana nophiko lamaHawks olalumphenya.
I can only presume that these charges were laid by disgruntled former employees of SAFA.
Khathi ebeka izathu zokudedelwa ngebail, ummeli kaJordaan uthe uJordaan kufanele ahambele indaba ezithinta ibhola emhlabeni okukhona kuzo imidlalo yabafana bafana engaphandle kwezwe. Kepha ke abashushisi bakuphikisana nalokhu bathi uJordaan akakufanele neze ukuhamba namaqembu esizwe. Ngoba lokhu ke kuzophazamisa icala ngakho ke kufanele anike umbuso incwadi yakhe yokuvakasha.
Is it so undoable that I can task the investigating officer? In other words, I leave the passport with Mr. Jordaan. However, before he travels, he needs to provide a written itinerary to the investigating officer so he can always know where he is.
The thought that popped into my mind is that should the conditions of his employment with SAFA change to an extent that he is no longer required to undertake any official duties, we will then revisit this issue. But for the moment, yes, I'm amenable to the suggestion by the court.
Imantshi ibe isikhipha isinqumo.
I will allow you to retain your passport, and I will include some conditions in order to try to address whatever fear the state may possibly harbor in being proactive in monitoring your movement.
I-NPA ikholwa ukuthi inecala elibambekayo.
Allegation stems from an SLA that was signed on behalf of SAFA by Mr. Jordaan, as well as Mr. Neethling, who also is a director of Grid Communications.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhla zi-5 kuZibandlela.